Welcome to Zorb EMF Protection Products. This is the women's 3-piece travel pack. You do not want to be without it. It comes with the Zorb cell-phone radiation absorbing disc. It helps absorb the harmful EMFs that come out of your phone or other smaller devices. It also comes with the Shungite to-go water stick. Now the water stick has alkalizing beads in it and Shungite powder. The Shungite powder helps mineralize and alkalize the water. You leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes in your water container, your water bottle, and you're ready to go. Now Shungite also has wonderful neutralizing abilities to neutralize free radicals and natural antioxidants. Now the final item in your kit is the Shungite bracelet. I love my bracelet. I don't go anywhere without it. Now the Shungite in the bracelet has the ability to help absorb harmful EMFs in the environment to protect me wherever I go. So make sure to get yours today. Don't be without it. Be safe and absorb it.